Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's episode, we are going to look at a useful plugin for Moodle which is named as Accessibility. As you can see on my screen, this Accessibility plugin allows the users to customize the visual appearance of the Moodle to their own individual preferences. As of now, this plugin supports 4 different widget types, which includes the text color, the background color, the font face, and the font size, which can be configured by the specific individual user as per their own preferred way. So we will be going to install this plugin on our test Moodle site, and I will show you how the students will be able to customize their own visual appearance to meet their own individual preferences. So let's get started, and you can download this plugin from the plugins repository, and I am sharing the link in the description section below, so you can click on that link to download this plugin. So I will just download this. And now I'm going to install this plugin on my Moodle site. So I will go to the site admin page and then go to the plugins, install plugins. And I will drop down the zip file which I have just downloaded into this file area and click on install plugin. Click continue and then click continue here at the bottom. As usual, it will go through a series of checks. So let me click on upgrade Moodle database. So now we have installed this plugin. So let us click continue here. Now, if we will go to this plugins page here again and click on the plugins overview and just do a quick search to find out accessibility, and we need to figure out the local underscore accessibility. So this is the plugin which we have just installed. Now what this plugin will do is it will add something like this. This is a new icon, and you once you hover over this one, you can see that this is having the accessibility. So once we click on this one, you will see a pop-up like this. So here we can define the background color for this page. We can define the font face, we can define the font size, and then we can choose the text color. There is an option to reset all of these also. So I will now just navigate to the student's profile and show you how it will work like for a student. So now you can see that I am logged in as a student. So there is no accessibility icon here on this page. So let me refresh this to get it visible. So now you can see that this accessibility icon is visible for this student profile. So let me say that for this student, he is having some problem with the colors. So he will be needing the background color to be kind of dark black. And then he can choose the font size to be slightly larger, and then the text color to be completely white. So it will be FFF. And now you can see, like, whenever I'm just changing these things here, the corresponding values are getting changed automatically in the background. So you can see, like, the background color is changed to black, the text color is changed to white, and if we increase this font size, then also the font size is increasing here on the background, as you can see, like here. And if we change this font face also, it will be also changing the font on the site. So this way, this can be pretty useful for individual students who are having different accessibility challenges. So you can customize the Moodle LMS platform so that they can choose their own preferred colors for their comfort. So this way, you can make your Moodle courses more accessible for your students and more inclusive for everyone, so that the learning can be done for every student. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead.